is Christmas in July. I can't even believe it's July. It just seems like, I don't know, I feel like I'm about 3 months behind. Does anybody else feel that way? I don't know. So I am going to do some rearranging and focusing on getting my Christmas stuff prepared for the sales. Will start probably hitting about September, October. And I really just want to be able to purchase what I need and not purchase. So I just wanted to go through everything. Plus, I don't know about you guys, but I have not done my 2021 December daily. Now, before I get going, I'm going to set my timer because this is a 15-minute chat. And so I have my little timer set over here. Let me get going. Just a sec. Did you guys hear that? It's super loud. I got a new timer. But anyways, so I'm going to start going through this and then I'll start telling you guys about, oops, this has Velcro on it, about my 2020. And now I'm going to start telling you about why I didn't do anything for 2021. I had a really good start, but I had something kind of bad happen and it really kind of devastated me for quite a while. And I just want to let you guys know that even though things come in our lives that are not good, it's the way that we look at them and the way that we choose to look at the situation and go on. And I just wanted to share with you guys and encourage you that there is times in our lives that are not good, and we can continue on and we can look and make the best of a situation and look at all the little tiny things that are a blessing. So with that said, that is why I don't have my 2021 done. And I really want to get it done. So I hope to be doing a Scrappy Chat where I'm going through my product, but also kind of looking at my stuff to do my 2021. Hoping to share some pages with you guys. So let's get going. What's in this box? Okay, so I have this fake snow. I hope there's not too much of a glare, excuse me. But I think everybody needs to have fake snow because it's sparkly and it's wonderful. And now that Joanne has got me into the little shaker boxes, this is going to be so much fun. Okay, I'm just going to set it here to the side. This is a piece of chipboard, and I usually punch holes in it, so this is my spare piece for my December daily, so I have the right sizes and stuff. Okay, here's some twine, embossing powder. Here is a paint pen. We got to make sure that that thing works. Here are some, what do you call these little dudes? I don't even know. I should probably put these to the side so I even know, to figure out if I even know how to work them. But with that being said, I was going to get rid of all of my, right over here, sorry. I have these eyelets, and Maymay just posted a video on how to use the crocodile, and that was so informative. I had no idea, you guys. It was really, really informative. But I had noticed when Joanne Bartell was doing her December daily that she used some of these as her hole reinforcers. And so I'm putting these in my bag here, or my box. So just, you know, Scrappy Chat, you guys. So here is some more twine. Obviously, I love the silver. So we should probably kind of weed that out a little bit. Here is some washi tape. Here is a very adorable, dirty little joy to the world with a squirrel. I love this kind of stuff. So simple and cute. Put that there. Here are a couple pieces of ribbon. And Janet from RTS shared this with us, that if you get those little cheap rubber bands from the dollar store or the $1.25 store, I don't even know what we're calling it anymore, but they make great, you know, holders for a ribbon. So if you wanted to just have little pieces of ribbon. So, and then this is a very cute card. It's just gorgeous. So maybe I'll work that into my project life eventually. Not my project life, excuse me. My December daily. And this is a little charm that I got from Carpe Diem. And I believe we made one of these bottle cap things, bottle cap charms, and it's a snowflake. So I just have that. And then here is some illustrated faith. acetate, I believe. Yes, these are acetate, and there's probably a terrible shine. Oh my heavens, is that cute or what? Adorable. Blessings. Okay, so there's some acetate. So that is what is in that box. Now I'm going to put everything back because we're just kind of going through and just seeing what we've got. I don't know why the embossing powder's there, but you see, this is why we do the things that we do. We go through just to see what we got, and then add some more goodies, right? Then I want to make sure that I check this pen and see that it works. Okay, now my other box is big. It's the Chunkamunka. Let me make sure I'm in frame. Okay, I'm in frame, and boy, oh boy. So what I'm going to do is, this is it. I think I can go ahead and pull it out. It's probably not going to be the best video, guys, but that's okay. Here are some wonderful pom-poms. Oh, so much cuteness. And then here, we're going to go ahead and just try to pull this out like this. Wow. So you know that shopping thing that I said we were going to do? Yeah, like I need to, right? But I'm going to just pull all these out so we can get rid of the big box and just kind of go through it. And then we're going to clean the box. My bestie got me these boxes for Christmas one year. Aren't they wonderful? They're beautiful, beautiful boxes. Okay, what's in this little guy right here? Okay, so it looks like I have a cute, adorable little box. And I have some washi, which is crazy because I have so much washi in my washi drawers for Christmas, but these are fabulous. And then I have these chipboard numbers. Ooh, I have some sequins. Those are awesome. You know what? I should probably pull these out because what other colors are those? Are those 4th of July or what? Yeah. Here's a doily. Here are some little 3x4s, some clear acetate. Oh, some washi cards. And then we have a tag and some more little bits and bobs here. Okay. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to go ahead and just get familiar with everything. Just get familiar. Then we're going to start going through it and really kind of bringing it down to, do you like it? Do you love it? Are you going to use it? Now this is chipboard, and a lot of it I think is snow and cocoa because I was obsessed. Okay, I still am. I mean, seriously, look at this. How adorable are these? But they need to be used. So this is a bunch of chipboard. Okay, we're not going to get into it, Donna. Oh, my heavens, you guys. Those are so... The little glitter. Oh, so cute. What's in this one? Oh, we got a little bell. Sorry for all the snappy noises, guys. And then we have just randomness. Random, best wishes, stickers, word stickers. Yeah, does anybody else have containers like this? Please tell me you do, because I feel like I have so many. So many. But that's why I want to go through everything. All right. And then these are some little pieces. Come on, everybody get back in. There you go. And jingle bells. You gotta have jingle bells, right? Oh, I think this was actually from a gift. So that's fun. Whoops. Okay. Oh, here's yet some more stickers of that same line. Now these guys are super, super adorable. Little mouse and an owl. But I need to use them. So here's some journaling cards. This was a tag. So these are some 4x6 cut parts. Some more. Yeah. Lots and lots of ephemera, more ephemera, and this is, I kind of kept it kind of by the same line. And then here's some paper bows. Okay. Okay, everybody back in the pool. Back in the pool. Okay. It's all right. All right, let's go ahead and, oh, this is a snow and cocoa one. I can tell it's so pretty and cute, and I love the bright colors. Look at these. And I know it's a couple years old, but I still love it. And the great thing is I was able to get a lot of it at, these are so fun, these little shakers. I was able to get quite a bit of it from Tuesday Morning, which I really liked. And these were already shakers for you, stickers, tags, tabs, all the good stuff. Puffy stickers. Look at this bunny. Oh, so much cuteness there, you guys. Oh, look. And I have little pieces everywhere. So that's what's in that one. A lot of snow and cocoa. So do you guys prefer the darker colors of Christmas, or do you like the pinks and the blues and that type of thing? I'm really curious. I loved the traditional for years and years and years, and I'm telling you what now, bring on the pink and the cute and all that wonderful stuff. So here's some more washi. Here's some stars and some pom-pom thread. Just some rhinestones. Here's some cork. I don't remember where I got these. Trees. These are really thick. Stars, acetate. Now this was an Allie Edwards, but it wasn't Allie Edwards that created it. I believe, was it Pink Paisley? No, Pink Paisley. I'm so sorry. I don't even remember. Maybe it's on one of these. Piece. Jasmine Jones. There we go. Sorry about that. And then this is just some journaling cards. So that's what's in that container. And I think I had these kind of segregated because that's what I used with my December dailies. I did. You know, as far as this was like year 2019 or whatever. So I kind of had that all separated, but I don't know why I have this in here. So see, yet organization needs to be done. Okay, so now this was in the front of my little box. Here are some, what do you call these? Paper clips, there you go. It's so funny when you do videos, you lose words like you wouldn't believe. Here are some Cartabella brads, see? And then here are some snow and cocoa envelopes. And I think I was gonna make like a little envelope flip for one of my albums, which is a great idea because they're super cute. Oh, and then I did some watercolor. I watched somebody on YouTube and I did some watercolor. This was so much fun and it was so super easy. I loved it actually, and made some cards. It was a lot of fun. I should probably do some of that some more. I am going to take a watercolor class with my best friend, and it's really funny because the person that we're taking the class from is actually my daughter-in-law's grandma, and she is phenomenal, and so we're taking a class. Okay, this is why we need to use our product and not hoard it. Do you guys see this big giant mess of letters? And I don't know if this is, I think I can salvage this. How frustrating. So, do you guys hoard product? I would like to know, or if I need to do a special thing. And yeah, so frustrated in myself. But those are beautiful red alphas. And then here's some glittery ones. Some more snow and cocoa, because we apparently didn't have enough, but it was $1.99, and it's tagged, so I can always use it as Christmas tags as well. These are all just little glitter ones. Oh, but yet there's more snow and cocoa. Yeah, I got a problem, you guys. Okay, the bell's gonna ring. Okay. So the bell rang, and I still want to continue on. So these are some ephemera bits, and I just put them in the CD sleeve. I need to make a little 5x5 piece of paper to go behind that. This is some alphas. There's probably a glare there. Here are some fussy cut pieces, or that I was working on and in the process of fussy cutting. Here are some more tags. Some stickers from My Mind's Eye. Do you guys remember these? They are super old, and they're cute. They are. Everyone's a kid at Christmas. So cute. Here are some dollar spot enamel dots. Some more tags. What are these? So this was a certain line, and I believe this was from Ellie Studio. I don't remember exactly. Here's some more puffies that are just beyond adorable. Look at this bird. These are some super, super old enamel. Wow. More acetate. Oh, Donna. Oh, cute little glossy bag. Some more stickers. I had made a little sticker book to see if I liked it. And I do, but I want to do it differently. So I just pulled those. Oh, look. These are wonderful. $1.99. And I got these at Tuesday morning as well. Oh, we will be using those, that's for sure. Here is some more Me and My Big Ideas. Super, super old. Some cut-aparts. Some cut-aparts. And some more 4x6. Okay, guys, I am super curious to see where you guys are with your December products. If you do December daily, I'd love to know. Thanks everybody for hanging out with me and going through my December daily stuff. So if you guys want to join me back here, and we will start going through my paper. I am just going to set this aside, and then I'm going to start breaking it down and just asking me those 3 little questions. Do you like it? Will you love it? But the most important, will you use it? So come back and join me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a super amazing day and you're out there making some memories. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.